Oh, that's perfect. What up?
What's up?
We have the team here. What kind of gun is that, Noah?
It is a G&G G4 ST.
That's nice. King Arms Pete Mag on that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Scott, what kind of gun do you have?
M4. G&G blowback, that's what I go. That's all I need to know, really.
This is TJ's M14. SEMA.
Feels good every time.
3 versus 4. We have what, 1 life?
We have 1 life, they have unlimited, so.
Yep, and we're trying to cross this valley. That's the goal. Go! Yo, dude, I'm gonna go around. Yeah, he's somewhere up there. All right, got him. 2 down. You see him? Where is he? Oh yeah. Yeah. Dead ahead. They get cover. I got him. You out? Yeah. Victory. Woo!
Bad idea. How far does this go? It's just gonna keep going. I think we should try to cut through the woods. They come through.
They went through here. There's that. There's that way. Let's go. All that work.
He's out.
Go! Let's go to that. Good run, Don. Yes. I saw that. I didn't get him. No, did I get you? Yeah. Yes. 2-0. Matt's on the hill. Let's go. Yeah. Is that it?
Yeah.
4-0. Yes. 4-0. All right. Same team, same sides. Dude, I got all 4 of you. Oh shit.
You didn't get him.
I'm hit. You asshole. You shot me at least. Oh my god. He's still in. Go Zach. I'm filming with my gun.
What if I just hit Zach in the ass right now?
He's in the woods.
1-on-1. Right in the thigh.
Oh, we should probably get out of here.
What if I strike Scott? Yeah, he's not afraid to use auto.
Yo, go charge him. Guys, out of the way. Out of the way. Okay. Oh, Zach pulls it off. Zach pulls it off. All right, let's go. There's like no other field. That's why you have to go in the woods that way. All right, guys. Who wants to stay in the field? I need someone in the field. You. Let's go. Let's go. No way. You fat ass cheater. Move up. Sniper somewhere. Ah, hit. Right in the wrist. Coming out. Hit. Oh, that hit him.
Yo, man, watch your back, watch your back. Oh, yeah. Crap, they're behind us, too.
Ow.
Yeah.
Rush. Rush. He's hit. Let him out. 1v2.
Fucking pussy, Ed.
Oh shit, watch it. It's gone. Nice shot. Game winning kill, baby. All done?
Oh, you're cool.